look at the Jeep. It's like, it's like air blowing from underneath the ground.
Oh, this is so fun. Just to watch it.
I have never seen something.
Me neither.
Look at that.
I know.
Everybody's laughing, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, like, what the hell? Like they took a big snow blower. Or
Yeah.
whatever. Leaf blower.
Oh. I know, it's so...
Look at this.
I know.
Without the leaves, it's a perfect day, you know?
Yeah.
You don't think it's snowy or whatever.
No. Whoa. That's
Today
so
was
fun.
interesting. Come on.
Yeah.
Something hit the pole.
I know, I heard that.
Go.
Umbrella also.
I have to
Yeah,
poke at
the
this guy
umbrella.
For him to realize it.
Yeah, he's afraid to cross. This is so fun.
Zincirli olmasa şemsiye uçuyordu. Zincirli attı.
Look at that, the guy with the big cape.
It's all fluffed up.
Yeah. It's so fun.